to experience them, and now it's time to better get to know them along with their 2 cents worth, di ba? Kung ano yung mga naging karanasan nila and experiences nila in making some of these episodes so far. Now, it's time for us all to experience their insights into the series. To our dear press and media friends, a gentle reminder lang po to ask relevant questions only. Strictly avoid any sensitive or personal questions. Please remain respectful sa casts at the creators natin. Only series-related questions will be entertained. Take note, 1 question for each media member. Maliwanag? Nagkakaintindihan ba tayo, guys? Yes? No? Maybe? Ayun naman pala. I sure hope so, ladies and gents, no? Kasi sisimulan na natin. It's time to get this one in store. Pero bago lahat, is everybody still thrilled? Is everybody still with me? Is everybody still excited? Palakpakan naman dyan! Viva? Viva? O sige, makakapagsimula na tayo. First up, ay si Erwin Ogawa ng Anong Ganap.
Hello guys! Hello, I'm here. Okay, so congrats sa new series. So first question kay Aubrey and Lance, how does it feel to be the main stars of the latest university series? And tell us something about your roles. Hey, Mike. Microphone, yeah.
Okay, let's just give him a few moments to get our stars some mics. Yeah. Saglit lang po. As we do our best, yeah. To get them their mics para mas marinig ka naman ng dubusan, di ba? Yung mga saloobin nila. Alright. Where are the Marvin fans? Marvin fans, make some noise. How about Hi Gab? Ayan, dito silang lahat ha. Chris Rome. And Landry. I love how nandito yung Landry fans, no? And the rest of them are here too, just the same. We appreciate everybody at huwag kakaligtaan na i-stream kami dito sa Viva 1. Alright. Oh. Will Bea, wag ingay! Okay, lahat ng love teams natin may fans dito. So, babalik ko po ang floor kay Erwin Ogawa.
Okay, thank you. So again, for Aubrey and Lance, how does it feel to be the main stars of the latest university series, and tell us about your roles?
Well, in my case, it's all very new to me. Having my first partner, my first love team, having my first lead role. So it's very new, and I'm really glad na Direct is guiding me all throughout the process, and yung production, the staff, the bosses, they've been guiding me through the process of everything. And to give you a brief description of my character, Clyden is very antipatico, as you would say, very mysterious, ano ba? Very smart as well. Yun lang muna.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for coming sa MediaCon namin. Thank you for making time. I'm really grateful. I'm blessed po to be part of this, and ngayon isa na ako sa lead actors sa series na to. I'm really grateful po sa Viva, of course, to my bosses, kina Boss Vic, Boss Val, Boss Vernick, Boss Vincent, to everyone. Dahil binigyan po nila ako ng gantong opportunity. Tagal-tagal ko rin pong hinintay na magkaroon ng gantong chance sa show business, and eto na yon. So, ayun, nape-pressure po ako, pero mas nangingibabaw yung pagiging thankful ko for being part of this, for being the lead role naman. And yung character ko, si Sam, she's the social butterfly of the barkada. She's an extrovert, she likes to party, to hang out with her friends. She's a model here. And I think yun pala yung mabibigay ko. Thank you.
Alright, thank you. Congrats in advance.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yung po si Erwin Ogawa ng Anong Ganap. Next up, it's Ambet Nabus ng Marites University.
Hello, isang question lang talaga. Good afternoon and congratulations sa inyong lahat. Kay Direk Gino na lang, kasi since this is the 4th installment of the Unibarkada series, ano yung mga bagong challenges na kinaharap mo sino yung na pinagsama-sama sila lahat?
bagong challenges. You know, I did the second book, no, yung Safe Skies Archer, and this is the fourth one already. No, what I can say na they all are in the same world, but this one's very special and different as well. Kasi we deal with a lot of issues here, finding yourself. Technically, yung role kasi ni Aubrey dito, hindi pa alam kung anong gusto niyo gawin. Kung nabasa niyo yung book, no, ganun yung challenges ni Aubrey dito na as Sam. And of course, daming issues ita-tackle here. If you guys know, you know. But of course, Abby's going to do that role very well. And ako, I'm just keeping the set really light and really fun, just because ano na sila eh, merged na silang lahat. And it's just a positive, environment. And I'm really thankful na okay kami lahat, na nag-drive lahat ng cast namin. Kasi you really see the friendship in and out of camera. So, yun. Parang wala namang masyadong challenges, but I guess we're just staying faithful with the book. I think that's what all the fans want, no? And what I want too. But also parang, syempre, every season, pinapush pa namin to make it bigger and better. So hopefully, this one will exceed the expectations. Thank you.
Pahabol na lang isa. Kumusta naman si Claudine and Andrews, things, Bobby Andrews or Claudine Barreto?
It's my first time working with them. They are lovely. Si Clau, of course, that's Miss Claudine Barreto. I'm so honored to be directing her, and she's just so sweet. She's so sweet on set. And you know, it's a little bit intimidating for all of us at first kasi Miss Claudine Barreto yan eh. And I think Aubrey should answer this because first day, her scene was with Miss Claudine Barreto. How was your experience?
Umiyak po. Umiyak po ako sa takot. Pero before naman po, we had a scene together. I'm okay. Like, I'm doing a pretty good job naman. Like, one take. Like, ganon. Pero nung kasama ko na si Miss Claudine, like, dinner scene namin with Sir Bobby Andrews, nagpapanik na po ako inside. Kasi, hindi pa nagsisink in sa akin na, oh my gosh, ka-work ko si Miss Claudine, ka-work ko si Sir Bobby Andrews. Tapos, sila pa yung parents ko dito, tapos I'm the lead role. Parang nagpatong-patong na po yung pressure, everything, excitement, lahat-lahat. So, I mean, that time, like, I can't act well talaga. So, direct parang, okay, again. And I was so like, nahihiya na po talaga kay Miss Claudine. Pero they were so nice. Like, sobrang patient nila sa akin. Pero that time, yung nilabas na ako ni Direk para kausapin ako, sabi niya, how do you feel? Sabi ko, I'm nervous, as umiyak na lang ako. Tapos, ano lang po talaga, siguro pressure lang, kasi malaking project po to sa akin, and yung parents ko pa dito, like sina Miss Claudine and Sir Bobby, so mas doon lang talaga na pumasok sa akin na, oh, this is it na talaga. Like, different na to from other projects na nagawa ko. But I'm really, really grateful for that experience, dahil kahit pa paano na-feel ko siya.
Okay, congratulations and good luck.
Thank you.
Thank you. That was Ambeth Nabos of Marites University. Next up, it's Kate Adahar ng Random Republica.
Thank you. For the other love teams, very briefly, ano yung magiging status ng characters niyo dito? Ano yung mga pagdadaan?
Kami, Asuna and Calix, magkahiwalay kami dito. So, ayaw namin makita yung isa't isa. Ganon.
Pero of course, dun sa show, kahit pinapamukha ni Direk Gino na hindi ko siya hinahanap, syempre yung character ko, hinahanap-hanap ko siya.
For Elise and Sabi, I think it's like a little bit before they met, and then a little bit during yung ligawan stage nila, right? Yeah.
Yeah, because 5 years ago yun eh. I remember we did a scene yesterday
So parang liniligawan ko pa lang si Elise noon. Tapos, yun. Pero syempre magiging current and then, yun na. Diba?
Diba? Hindi, sa amin kasi, no, parang napapansin nyo, kung hindi pa nagsastart yung book, parang hindi nila pinagtatagpo. Not until talagang book nyo na yung gagawin. So parang sa amin, so far, pabitin lang. I don't know if this time, siguro kasi kung group of friends lalabas, makakasama. Pero most of the time, hindi naman nila pinagtatagpo. So far, medyo wala pa yung sa amin. Di ba?
Oo.
Sa amin naman, kay Hiro at kay Yana, as far as I remember, nasa out of the country yata si Hiro. Tapos, dahil madaming timeline ang itatakil dito for sure, every book naman may mga timelines. Andun yung si Hiro nasa nag-aaral, meron din yung, I hope, dito na yung ikakasal. Yung pagtataguan, I guess. Ayun. Na isa ka sa si Sam ang mga culprit kung bakit nawawala pala talaga yung ano. And kay Yana, as usual, andyan siya lagi. Kung paano si Sam kay Yana nung Safe Skies Archer, I guess, ganito din si Yana.
And Abby?
Yan, Abby, kasi best friends kami dito ni Sam. So, ninang siya nung magiging anak ko, tutulungan niya ako sa pagtatago and everything. Like, siya talaga yung tumayong ama at the moment. Ina at ama pag wala ako, kaya wala si Hiro. So, yung support na binigay niya sa akin nung book 2, yun naman yung ipapakita ko, yung support ko sa kanya sa book niya. I love you!
konti lang yung dating days. Parang puro inuman lata yung eksena. Puro inuman. So, yun.